Here it is, guys. 08 2500. Got the 5-inch exhaust. No muffler. For you guys that wanted to hear that. That's without the muffler. No muffler. Went ahead and got some, I believe these are 285 70 17s. A little bit bigger than stock. Went ahead and put the 2.5 inch leveling kit on there. Looks pretty nice. There's that side right there. We'll go ahead and pop the hood. Pop the hood on this bad boy and let you see the work under there. There's the H&S EGR delete. As you can see, the cooler's gone, but I left the mount on there because I was running a little short on time. That back there is probably the hardest one to get to. Had to use a crow's foot, but even then, that was still kind of a pain. Very nice little setup. Runs perfect.